everybody, I'm Robyn Buckwalter.
And I'm Stacy Lockhart with Utah Key Real Estate. We're here visiting Gina Allen at Holmes Home in the Herriman community.
Thanks and welcome to our beautiful model home called the Sequoia Model. Here located in Juniper Bend in Herriman. We are a gated community offering all kinds of great active amenities from swimming pool, clubhouse, and tennis courts. We offer two-story and rambler plans. We have multiple beautiful plans to choose from, ranging from 3,000 square feet up to 4,000 square feet. Price range starts at $400,000 up to $450,000.
Gina, what is the lot size? What can someone expect up here for their yard?
Our lot sizes are 0.17 to 0.2. They're spacious enough, and yet manageable for you. One of the great incentives that we're offering here at Holmes Homes in Juniper Bend is a complete finished basement is included, as well as full yard landscaping, both front and back.
That's fabulous.
Thanks, Gina. We look forward to bringing you out here to visit their community.
Call us at the numbers below for any questions or for a private preview at any Holmes Homes community.